Good morning, ma'am. We are student from SEMU, Central Mindanao University from BPED 3C po. And we would like to conduct an interview po about sa school health program, which is isa sa final requirement sa mga kanina.
Okay. First question is, what are some ways to implement the program?
In DepEd, we have programs that are related to health, ang WINS, o wash in school, o ang school-based feeding.
And question number 2, what are the best practices for the program?
The best practices, so we have early in the morning or right after sa morning session, mag-hand wash ang mga bata, lungan sila. And magdungan sad sila toothbrushing. Mana sa wash in school. Then while sa school-based feeding, ang mga bata before sila ipa-feed, hand wash, then after og feed, sila og kaon, dungan, mag hand wash na po, then mag toothbrushing na po sila.
Thank you, ma'am. And the last question is, what issues or concerns are related to the school health program?
Sa WINS, some kaning hand washing facilities kay na kuan na daot na need na i-repair. Tapos ang sa school feeding, limited lang ang
Budget.
hindi siya limited ang budget. Limited lang ang kaning beneficiaries. Since dagan o say wasted mga kaning dili sakto ilang weight and ko nga need pa ma-feed aron masakto gyud ilang kuan appropriate sa lang age and height kaning kuan kaning limited ra ang mga bata nga ma-cater kay murag kuan pud siya kanang murag sa ani nga school nga nila nga bata so dilitan
More, thank you, ma'am. By the way, ma'am, pwede na mamukha ng name, ma'am?
I am Velma Malwenda.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, 1 year and 6 months ako as school clinic coordinator.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.